Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying model and network readiness. This matters because protocols differ. Power the Napco camera and connect it to your router by Ethernet for stability, or configure Wi-Fi if needed. Once done, find the camera IP through the router or the camera's LCD and set an admin password immediately to secure access. Then install the Napco mobile app or a known RTSP/ONVIF viewer on your phone, because the next steps require an app to discover and configure the device. You now link the camera inside the app. Choose Auto Scan if the phone is on the same LAN or manual IP entry when you need precision. Enter the camera IP, port, usually 554 for RTSP, username and password. This authenticates video access. If the camera supports Napco Cloud provisioning use, that for easier remote access. Otherwise, enable ONVIF/RTSP in its web UI. Make sure to set stream resolution and frame rate to balance bandwidth. And finish by enabling remote access. Either set router port forwarding to the camera's IP and external port, or use Napco's P2P/cloud feature to avoid NAT configuration. Make sure to test viewing on cellular data so you confirm remote connection works. You should also update firmware and change default ports and credentials to secure access. If you run into issues, restart the camera and router. Verify IP conflicts or firewall blocking, and confirm the app and camera firmware versions are compatible. This resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.